Hi guys, good morning to everyone. Welcome to the world of stenography. Today we are going to dictate contractions. Be ready? Let's start. Passenger, stranger, messenger, danger, dangerous, contingency, emergency, exigency, stringency, appointment, attainment, contentment, assignment, entertainment, enlightenment, abandonment, ironmonger, oneself, demonstrate, remonstrate, remonstrance, ministry, monstrous, manuscript, henceforward, thenceforward, expect, expected, inspect, inspected, inspection, prospect, respect, respected, retrospect, imperfect, imperfection, imperfectly, suspect, suspected, object, objected, project, projected, architect, architecture, architectural, perspective, prospective, productive, obstructive, objective, destructive, destructively, retrospective, irrespective, irrespectively, production, obstruction, objection, objectionable, destruction, jurisdiction, introduction, retrospection. Special contraction. Section 1. Start. Peculiar, peculiarity, perform, performed, performance, performer, perpendicular, public, republic, republican, publish, published, publisher, publication, practice, practiced, practicable, prejudice, prejudiced, prejudicial, preliminary, probable, probably, probability, proficient, proficiency, proficiently, proportion, proportioned, proportionate, subscribe, subscribed, subscription, substantial, substantially, deficient, deficiency, deficiently, description, difficulty, discharge, distinguish, distinguished, advertise, advertised, advertisement. Section 2. Start. January, capable, character, characteristic, commercial, commercially, cross examine, cross examined, cross examination, exchange, exchanged, expediency, expenditure, expensive, special, especially, esquire, establish, established, establishment, immediate, imperturbable, magnetic, magnetism, manufacture, manufactured, extinguish, extinguished, govern, governed, government, familiar, familiarity, familiarize, familiarization, February, financial, financially, efficient, efficiency, efficiently, sufficient, sufficiency, sufficiently, manufacturer, mathematical, mathematically, mathematics, mathematician, maximum, mechanical, mechanically, metropolitan, mortgage, mortgaged. Section 3. Enthusiastic, enthusiasm, incorporated, independence, independent, independently, indispensable, indispensably, individual, individually, inform, informed, informer, interest, investment, neglect, neglected, negligence, never, November, sensible, sensibility, sensibly, electric, electrical, electricity, recoverable, irrecoverable, reform, reformed, reformer, regular, irregular, relinquish, relinquished, represent, represented, representation, representative, responsible, responsibility, irresponsible, irresponsibility, organize, organized, organizer, organization, certificate, uniform, uniformity, uniformly, unanimity, unanimous, unanimously, yesterday. Section 4. Parliamentary, prospectus, telegraphic, telegram, satisfactory, administrator, administratics, questionable, questionably, falsification, amalgamation, amalgamate, minimum, sympathetic, investigation, insurance, knowledge, acknowledge, inconsiderate, influential, influentially, intelligence, intelligent, intelligible, defective, executive, executor, executrix, English, Englishman, England, legislative, legislature, arbitrate, arbitrator, arbitration, arbitrary, wheresoever, whereinsoever, whithersoever, universe, universally, universality, university, howsoever, whensoever. Section 5. Start. Altogether, together, circumstance, circumstantial, everything, thankful, something, remarkable, anything, nothing, whatsoever, whensoever, whatever, whenever, misfortune, unprincipled, notwithstanding, denomination, denominational, incandescent, incandescence, enlarge, enlarger, inconvenient, inconveniently, inconvenience, nevertheless, irremovable, removable. Stop. Thank you friends. You like my videos and stay till the end.